Okay, this is the coolest thing. This is Tech Thursday, and I've discovered Handbrake. So I'm building a course in Thinkific, and it says your videos can only be a certain weight. And often I come across that if I do a custom video for a real estate agent, for example, about one of their listing, and I want to send it to them, the file is way too heavy. I used to use WeTransfer or Dropbox or something. And I'm like, there's going to be a way. There's going to be a way to be able to compress the video and still a good enough resolution for the web, but that is not that heavy. So it's easy to load, it's easy to send, it's easy to maneuver. Here comes Handbrake. Check this out. So it was free. So I go here and I add, I put this video. So this one was already done. So what is this now? I just want to choose my video. So see if I click this video. And so I have this video. Then it says you want to save it as da-di-da-di-da MP4. So I'm going to say there's all sorts. You can change like all the settings here and so on, formats and so on, but size, display. I'm going to keep it like that. And I'm going to say interview teaser, because this is my, for any of you who want to do my interview, this is it. And then I say, where do I want it to be saved? So Catherine Air desktop, okay? This video right now, well, I'm gonna start this process. Okay, so you choose that and then you click start. Okay, and see how it's like going super fast. So I'm gonna show you, if I go to this video right now the way it is, and I click info, it's saying it's 111 megabyte, which, you know, on my computer is not that bad, but to send to anyone, it's like enormous. Okay, so now if I go here and I click get info, check this out, 10 megabytes. 10 megabytes is something I can email to people. Then you're gonna think, well, is the resolution as good? So let's check it out. So let's go here, double and play. See? So it's totally fine. So Handbrake is definitely the Tech Thursday magic, magic of the day.